Hello everyone and welcome. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Today we are going to see the Just Herbs lip glosses. This is a newly launched lip glosses from Just Herbs. These are serum-infused lip gloss with mango butter and jojoba oil, and this is of shade Soft Lush. There are 4 different shades in this pack: Peachy Glow, Glimmering Cocoa, Peony Pearl and Shiny Crystal. This is 100% vegan and herbal, and it is cruelty free. These glosses are highly pigmented and gives you a really good shine, and it is non-sticky. And you can see this is free from silicons, parabens and synthetic film formers. So this comes in a very cute packaging, and these are the 4 different shades. We will see each shade in detail. So it comes in travel packages and it is easy to carry if you are traveling across. So let us see these shades in detail. So the first one is Peony Pearl. This is more like a pinkish mauve shade, I would say, and this is how it's packed. It's a lovely shade, and as you can see, it is really pigmented and gives you a really good shine. The next one is Glimmery Cocoa. This is more like a brown shade, a nude shade. This is also really lovely. Next one is Peachy Glow. This is also more like a nude shade. It's almost similar to the previous one and it is really lovely. The next is the Shiny Crystal. This is like a transparent shade. It can be worn over maybe your matte lipsticks or any other lipsticks to give you an extra shine. So these are the 4 different shades from the Just Herbs lip glosses. This is of shade Soft Lush and it is 100% herbal. You will definitely love these lip glosses. So I hope you liked this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you've liked it. Thank you.